Hi Noel, I wanted to give you a quick rundown on how these units work now that they've been repaired. On the plasmatics, once power is applied, you'll see your incoming voltage. It'll show the adjustment, which is here on the side, and you can turn it down or up. Right there in the center, it puts out a lot of ozone. And then once there's pressure applied to the unit, oxygen pressure greater than 2 psi, the light will come on. And once the light's on, the green light comes on, and you can press it to start the inverter, and you can hear it running, and woo, yeah, even with the ozone destruct, I can smell it. So that's how it works. If pressure is lost for some reason and the pressure goes away, the lights go out and it won't start again until pressure is brought back. Once you have pressure back, you can press the button and it'll start the inverter again and start going. Okay, that's it. If you want to turn it up and down, that's the knob on the side. Make sure you clean these periodically. I'm sure they get pretty dirty. The inside of this unit was really corroded. Well, both units were really corroded, but it's all fixed. Be sending it out on Monday.